Cadet Benjamin or director wa factory ya Industrial Globus Uganda okugamba habigwerezi ebirokurabanisamo za factory nobwe kitongore cha Nick kibireno chereza yo check ya miliyoni $92 ahari Industrial Globus Uganda Limited erikushango mu cyare cya Nyakachindo omuri Hima Town Council omu district ya Kasese.
Only that you are an insurance company, but you earn the place and I believe you're the leading. You had covered us on everything, but you removed the weather-related risks. So, as an investor, I would pray that you can consider it. It can maybe be at a higher premium, but at least consider it. It will be very, very good.
Cadet Benjamin ayonjire kusima governmenti ahabwo kubahereza ebyo kwerinda ebero kumara.
We have got our internal security system, but it's mostly technological. Actually, this is one of the best guided facilities in the country. It is technological, but the technological is supplemented by the police. But whenever there may be any information, whatever, the army always deploys. So at least also on the security angle, we are okay.
We also take this feedback because we work with them to develop these products and focus on weather related. So the one we do is for agriculture, typical agricultural product.
Joseline Uchanda or director w'ebyobushubuzi Omnic Insurance nagira ngo bakama bamakorero bahiga bakozi babo abo barukoresa kwemanyiza okubikira nyensya.
Your workers to save. Sometimes we spend most of our time working and you forget about yourself. You're working, you're looking after your husband, your wife, your children, but then you forget about yourself.
Just to continue to give you those assurances that you are dealing with an international organization that is there to serve you, because when you have international investors.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi, Omur Kasese.